so excited to start my sophomore year. I am moving in like 5 days early to do move-in crew just because I wanted to be there early, so hopefully that's gonna be fun. But right now we've already packed up my mom's car and we're waiting on my grandma, my aunt, and my cousins to get here so we can pack up their van that they rented, and then we will be on the road to Fairfax soon. So be right back. So this is how packed the cart is right now, and I have some stuff on the other side of that, and then this is packed full with groceries, and then some of my other stuff, my makeup box, my medicine box, trash can, book bag full of school supplies. So everything is packed up right now, still waiting on the rest of my family to get here with the van, but the tripod is like set up, so for whenever they do get here, I can just start filming them putting things in. So I'll check back in when they're here. And I had to go to the ATM, and my mom and the rest of my family is getting gas and air in the tires. Then we're gonna get on the highway. So let this 2-hour drive begin. This is the kitchen. Jess has some more stuff in here already. We have a lot of cabinet space. It did not look like this at first. This is it renovated. And then that's the bathroom. Jess, say hey.
So I need soap and paper towel. I'm asking for a whole lot.
Oh, just there's some soap upstairs.
I'm going upstairs.
Yeah, I put it in.
This is good. 2 days later, and my room is completely set up. So since I did move in early and my other 2 housemates aren't here yet, I'm just gonna show their room. It's kind of set up a little differently, but in general you get the gist. And then I'm gonna show you guys me and my roommate's room. So let's just go ahead and get started. So when you walk in the door, you have the mirror and the sink, and also this is the bathroom plain. It came with these shower curtains. So, and then this is the overall like state of the room. Really bland, really dry. And then the closets, they come with the dresser inside of it, and then really empty. So right now I'm just gonna do a quick overview of our room because I am gonna do a dorm tour. Stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button. I already know. So this is our bathroom. It's pretty much the same. My room, I just have a little slight setup, and then the closet, and then my roommate's side. Say hey, Jess. So the house was bitch.
So the house was finished. Oh, I dropped my lemon.
So the house was newly renovated. So we got new cabinets, new sinks, new faucets, new flooring in the kitchen. The bathrooms look renovated also. I know the sinks in the bathrooms are. We might have gotten new desks also, and we also got new couches and things. So a lot of the furniture is new in a standpoint, as new as it can probably get. But yeah, you guys, that's really all I have for this move-in vlog, even though it took a span of like 3 days for me to get everything. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my room tour, my college apartment tour, anything else. So thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.